Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm doing a review of the Snap-on half-inch drive adjustable fixed ratchet click type torque wrench, which measures 50 to 250 foot-pounds. That's the range. The list price was $379, but I got it on an online sale at Snap-on's official website for $341. And the official item number is QD3R250A. So let's go ahead and open it. This is the blow molded case. I'm going to open it and show the torque wrench. So this is the whole torque wrench right here. It is 24 inches in length. I don't have the exact weight. So now we're going to get in real close and take a look at the head. The head is a dual 80 style head, so it has a very smooth ratcheting action. That's the certificate of calibration. We're going to take a closer look at the handle and the collar mechanism. We're going to take a little bit of a closer look at it with the tool all the way outside of the box. Now we're going to take a look at the head with a 19mm impact socket from Harbor Freight. So we're going to take just a look at the ratcheting action. So each of those is one click. And we're going to go a little bit faster. Really fast. Very smooth action for the on-off. We're going to look at it for the off, one click. A little bit faster. And really fast. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at the actual handle and the collar mechanism. So the collar slips up like this, very smooth, and it'll allow you to rotate the handle to adjust the numbers. So these are the 1 pound increments, and then these are the larger increments from, I'm going to put it down a little bit, all the way to the bottom. So now we're all the way at the bottom of the range. So it starts at 50 and it goes to 250. For my specific car, I torque my lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. So if I wanted to set it very quickly, you just adjust the collar up. We're going to 80. Just like that. So to come in a little bit closer, we see the center is set to 0 and it's all the way at the 80 right there. So very smooth. It doesn't move. It's not like a cheaper Harbor Freight ratchet where if you even just start to use it, it automatically will unset itself from the bottom handle because there's no proper way to lock it. So with this, it's very sturdy. It's not going to unset itself from the setting, the torque setting that you had adjusted. And on the back, there's also Newton meters. You know, that's not very common to use Newton meters as a torque value in the United States, but, you know, I'm sure some people have their use for it in the United States. And to unset it again, we're going to just put it back down, put the collar up. Yeah, right there. And obviously it's quicker to set this. I'm just trying, you know, I'm doing this review on a desk. I'm trying not to get it to shake, so that's why if it seems like it's taken a long while, I'm just trying to keep the desk from shaking. So now let's go outside and show you actual torquing of lug nuts on a wheel. Alright everyone, now we're outside. I'm showing you on my personal car. So I'm going to set the torque value for 80. That is what is recommended by Honda. So we're going to set it real quick, slide the collar up, and we have it on 80 foot-pounds. So again, we're using a 19mm impact socket from Harbor Freight. It's from the Pittsburgh Pro line. So we have it set to on. So this is going, we're torquing clockwise. So this is torquing onto the wheel. And the collar is locked and set. So we're going to go in a star pattern. So I don't know if you can hear the click in the video, but it's a very solid click. It feels real nice in the handle. Yeah, it's got a very, very solid click. You know, just real nice feeling in the handle. I mean, this is definitely much more satisfying feeling than any Harbor Freight or Craftsman ratchet torque wrench that I've ever used. So again, I'm going to show one more time. We're going to set the torque wrench back to 50. Which is the lowest value on the torque wrench. Got it. Alright guys, thanks for watching my Snap-on torque wrench review. I wanted to make this review since most of the reviews on YouTube were comparisons like Snap-on versus Matco, Snap-on versus Craftsman, Snap-on versus Harbor Freight, but I never actually saw a just standard Snap-on torque wrench review. It was always reviews of the electronic torque wrenches, which are really expensive, and I honestly think they're unnecessary. But you know, every tool has its use. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, post a comment, and like the video below. Thank you.